Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be trying out stamping. I have tried stamping before and it didn't work, but I actually ordered from MANIOLOgy for the first time because I heard that they're pretty much the best and this is the tools that you want to work with if you're starting out stamping. Also, shout out to Sondra Sparkly Sets. She is literally the stamping goddess. I've been watching her stamping videos trying to get the hang of it, and I think I have an idea of what to do, but let's get started. So I actually got the free kit that they have. It's 5 different kits and you can pick whichever one that you want. The kit is free, but you do have to pay for shipping. I also got an additional stamping plate because it does kind of match this one. They also included this little cute sticker. I never know what to do with big stickers like these, so it's probably going to go in my pile of stickers. So the starter kit that I chose is the Crystal Galaxy, and it's just a whole bunch of crystals. I have opened this just to make sure everything was good, but it's just a whole bunch of crystals. But I am going to unbox it and show you more up close. On the back it does give you some instructions. There's also an instructions manual on the inside, and I will say every time I get some sort of nail kit, I throw those out. But this one, I was like reading. Like I literally had it in my hands like a book. I never do that with instruction manuals. But because I'm not so good at this, I wanted to retain all that information. So this starter kit has, of course, the stamping plate. I hate that there's a huge glare. It has the starter kit stamping guide, and this is really useful. They made it super simple to understand. It comes with a scraper, and of course it comes with a stamper. And lastly, it comes with the stamping duo. So there's this silver polish, and I'm actually not quite sure what this is, so I'm going to read the starter guide again and see what it is. I'm also going to quickly prep my stamper. It says to wash it with dish soap and water, so I'm going to do that real quick and I'll be back. So I've prepped my stamper. I did use some dish soap and some warm water like it suggests. Now I'm going to show you how the stamping plates look. I'll be peeling off the blue film. I had to turn off my ring light because the glare is far too much. But this is the stamper that's included in the crystal kit. I really like this one because it's got the zodiac signs. My birthday is coming up, so I might be using this depending on whether stamping turns out okay for me. But they've got Libra up here, which is my zodiac sign, and then they've got the individual signs here. They've also got like these borders, which I think are supposed to be possibly borders for tarot cards. Okay, so I'm back. I found out what this is. I messaged Sondra. I had to do like a phone a friend, and she said it might be the smudge free top coat. In the actual kit itself, it doesn't say what it is, but I realized I could have just googled it. But thank you so much, Sondra. I have these 2 nail tips here that I'm going to be practicing on. I'm going to be painting them black. I'm going to be using Madam Glam's Perfect Black. So with stamping, I know you're supposed to work really fast because the polish can end up drying. So let me try and be fast about this. Okay, so the image didn't pick up very well. Let me try this again. So I think I was scraping up too much polish, so I'm gonna try this again. So I picked quite a bit of it, and this is gonna go on the nail. I'm actually just gonna stamp it on the nail because I don't want to try again on that one specific design. I want to try something else. So I'm happy that it's actually stamping onto the nail properly, because I thought I'd have some sort of issue when I got to this part. But I'm glad it all transferred. There's nothing on the stamper. I'm going to try and pick up a different design to see if I've gotten the hang of it or if I just got lucky doing this one. This one also picked up pretty nicely. I think I am getting the hang of it. I was about to turn this video off and call it quits, but I think I'm somewhat getting the idea of it. Oh, that one didn't stick. But I'm gonna try and pick up another design. I don't think I picked that one up very well, but I'm just happy to be able to kind of get more and more of the image as I practice, because when I first did it, not very much came up. But I think I just need to kind of keep practicing so I can get my rhythm and know how much pressure to apply when rolling the stamper. So for this nail, I'm going to attempt to pick up this massive one here. I don't know if this is going to work very well, but I'm going to attempt it. I'm going to attempt a bigger design. I feel like I scraped up maybe too much, but let's see. Oh, that isn't bad. That isn't bad. I'm just kind of missing a little bit of the stars over here, but I'm not mad at that. That's not bad. I need to remove some of the text that got picked up. Okay, that isn't too terrible. I'm gonna add some other stuff around it. This one isn't the best, but I'm going to use half of it and I'm going to stamp it at the very top. So this one didn't pick up the best. Some of the lines are missing, but I've been trying to pick this one up for some time and I kind of just gave up and said it's good enough for me. I definitely do need to sit around and practice with it. I have something to do, so I pretty much have to stop the video here, which means I can't keep practicing. Next, I'm going to apply the smudge proof top coat. The smudge proof top coat smells kind of good. Like this one just kind of smelled like regular nail polish, but this doesn't smell too bad. I just noticed my gloves and this is a mess. Like stamping should not be this messy, But I promise you guys I'll have it down in probably the next video that I do, because I do want to use this plate that I got for my birthday set, and I actually have to film that pretty soon because it's sometime next week. I don't even know what day it is today, but I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But long story short, I do need to get this down ASAP. Let me know what you guys think of the design that I did. If you guys have any tips and tricks on stamping, if you guys see anything that I could have did better, please let me know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.